Hi there, May. My name is Marcy Hutton, and I spoke with Yosef on the phone. He said that you would be the one to send this video to and shoot this video for. And what I'm going to show you in this video are 3 things that you can do today to help bring in more customers to your business. Now, it's quite likely asking yourself, why would I be doing this and what's in it for me? Well, I do this because when it comes to internet marketing, most business owners are too busy running their business to learn how it could actually work to their benefit. And sometimes the only hesitation they have to hiring someone is that they don't know who's an expert or who isn't. So I found that by giving people an easy blueprint of actual things that they can do to impact their businesses for free has resulted in some of those business owners still raising their hands and saying, "Could you do this for me?" So if by the end of the video you liked what you've heard, you can see that I have a few tricks up my sleeve that I could help your business with, and we can chat. Or if at the end of the video you simply want to take the free tips I gave you and do it yourself, that works for me too. Now, the 3 things that I'm going to go over are content, citations, and backlinks. These are the things that are going to help you to be more visible online, beat out your competitors on having people see your site first. So when I say content, I'm referring to what I've got highlighted here and the images that you have on your homepage and throughout your website. Google likes to see anywhere from 1,000 to 1,500 words of content on a homepage. The reason for this is that they want to, when they come across a website on the internet, they're going to dive in there, they're going to crawl the whole thing, and what they're wanting to figure out is, what do you do, what services are you offering, and what location do you offer them in. That way, when people type here, and it's location based, when people type a service that they're looking for, they can serve up the most relevant results. Because what's in it for them? They want to keep people on their search engines. That's how they make money. So they don't want them not being happy with what they've been delivered and going somewhere else. So you absolutely have an opportunity to add some content on there that will help to let Google know what it is that you do. Really nice pictures, by the way. I'm just going to check something before I move ahead to citations. Beautiful stairs, design Magnum construction. So that could be, being that Google can't see, Google only reads, you could just as easily, that picture could be named bathroom renovation Vancouver, kitchen renovation Vancouver. So you want to match what it is. You can name these pictures and match what it is that your potential customers would be typing in there. Okay, citations. What a citation is a place on the internet where you would find your exact business name, address, and phone number. Now, the more places that you have your business listed, and by that I mean things like 411 directories, yellow pages, a Yelp listing. This map section here is a citation. Yet it has your name, address, and phone number, business name, address, and phone number. So the more places, when Google goes out and crawls and it sees your business all over the place listed in all these directories, it lets them know that you are in fact a legitimate business. And then how it's going to help you to be more visible on the first page of the search is that if you have more, go out and get your business cited in more locations than everybody else in the market, all of your competitors, that eventually is going to push you up into, of course, the goal being one of these 3. Statistics show that 50% of the clicks coming from the first page of the search are one of these three businesses. So it's a great place to be if you wanted to be bringing in more traffic to your site. Now, the third thing is backlinks. Backlinks will help to power you up and help to Google to make the decision to have you show up on the first page. So what I've done is I've taken this business here to use, I'm going to put your site into a tool there that shows what's going on behind the scenes. So I took the site that was showing up number 1, so we can do a comparison. Success leaves clues. That's how we kind of figure out how we get there too. So what a backlink is, first of all, it is a link from a third-party site on the internet linking back to your website. And how that affects you, just kind of explain it in simplest terms, is if you think of the internet as being a big popularity contest, when other sites on the web vote for you, aka link to you, that's going to push you up to search engines. Google sees you as being popular then. You've got getting all this attention from all these other sites on the web. So that's how it benefits you. So we can take a look to see what's going on. The tool shows us that you have 23 other websites on the internet that are linking back to yours, giving you 96 backlinks. You're being found for 29 organic keywords. Now this is where that content being in and throughout your website is so important here. And it shows that you've got a couple of visitors, a couple of people clicking on your site each month, finding your site on their own, not with any paid ads or anything. So let's just see which words there's are here. Renovation experts. And when I go over here, now there's about 30 searches for that keyword, key phrase. And if I go over here, position shows where your site is sitting. There's usually about 8 or 10 positions per page. So this is going to put you on the second page for that one. And construction services, this one could be bottom of the second page, probably top of the third page. Renovation services, so you can see there's 100 search for that, but this one is 82, so that's going to put you on the 9th page. And that kind of explains why we're just getting those type of numbers, that kind of traffic to your site monthly. Now to that one that's sitting in that number 1 position, he's got 262 other websites on the internet linking back to his, giving him about 1,000 backlinks. He's being found, big difference here, right, with the words. Just about 3,000 organic keywords, and he's getting about 1,500 traffic to his site on average each month. So that's how that works. May, I'm not going to go on any longer. I like to keep these shorter. So just a quick summary: 1,000 to 1,500 words of content added to your home page is definitely going to help you out. Citations, list your business name, address, phone number, and any free directories that you happen to come across. That's how that'll help you out. And can strengthen the backlink profile, and it will help to get you more visible, closer to that first page, on the first page, best case scenario. So I'm going to email this off, and I will follow up. Make sure that you did have a chance to see it and it made its way to you, May. Talk with you soon.